The manufacturing process for a Kestrel bike starts off with unidirectional carbon fibers. The sheets of fibers are layered on top of each other in crisscross patterns, giving the finished pieces strength.
After the sheets have been layered, the carbon fiber is put through a carbon cutting machine that cuts them into shapes. These shapes are then assembled into kits, and these kits make up sections of the frame. The shapes, also referred to as preforms, are placed into casting. This is where the carbon fiber sheets become three-dimensional parts of the frame.
The preforms are designed to fit into the mold perfectly. The sheets can be layered on top of each other to add extra strength to the parts of the bike that need this, such as the fork. The seat mask would be an area where there are less layered sheets to allow for flexibility. Strength and flexibility are both traits that need to be utilized to allow the highest level of performance for bikers riding over 100 miles a day.
Each half of the mold is then squeezed together by a mold press. This is then heated up to form the parts. After the heating process is done, the parts are glued together by a special type of epoxy. Brackets, screws, and bolts are not used because they would weigh the bike down, and minimal weight is key to performance.
The assembled frame is then placed into a curing oven that reaches temperatures of 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. To harden the adhesive, the frame is then sanded down for smoothness before being painted. The bike is then sprayed with an anti-corrosive sealant which will prevent paint chipping.
After the frame is assembled, the wheels, handles, and pedals are attached, along with the rest of the essential parts. The first part of this is the installation of cranks in the bottom bracket system. Then the forks and stems are installed, followed by the chain, handlebars, and the brake levers.
The wheels are built alongside these modifications to the frame. First, the spokes are installed into the hubs. These spokes are then attached to the rim and brought to tension, immediately followed by the installment of tires. Finally, the products are packaged and shipped to the distributor